Welcome, and follow me as the OPPO Reno 14FS, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So to get started, I will mention that you can do this reset in order to get rid of a screen lock that you might have set on your lock screen that, let's just say, you don't remember. Now, no matter which way you go about it, I want to start off by turning off your device, which you can do by holding the power button and the volume up, and then swiping down to turn off your phone. Give it a moment, you'll feel a vibration which indicates the device is now fully turned off, at which point you can hold power button and volume down at the same time, and when you see OPPO logo on the screen, you can then let go of the power button, but keep holding the volume down till we have the language selection page. There we go. So from here I'm going to click on English, which is not very visible on the screen or on the recording, but it's right here. And next we want to click on Format Data. Now there's two other options, Reboot Device and Power Off, which again you can't see because of the exposure on the camera. So anyway, let's click on Format Data. It shows you a random code right here, so for me it's 2490. This is just a confirmation code that you need to put in. It changes every time you enter here. This is completely unrelated to a screen lock. And just to kind of show this, if I go back and click on this again, now it's 2146. So anyway, 2146. Once you type it in correctly, it brings up this window right here, Format Data. All user data will be reset, and we just want to click on Format. Now this goes through a very quick format, gives you a message, data formatted. I'm going to click on OK, and this automatically reboots the device and continue resetting it in the background. Now for this to finish, it's going to take the device about 2 minutes or so, give or take like a minute, and once, like I said, it's finished, we will be presented with the setup screen, so I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.